Okay, so after you've made your video, right, you want to watch your video and make sure it makes sense, right? Because if you made a video, it doesn't make any sense, you got to do it over again. And when we made the video, we made it in Zoom with the screen share, and we had Fathom running in the background to take notes. So now that Fathom, now I can look at the video, I see that it makes sense, and I can put Ask Fathom, which is an AI, and I put create a ClickUp task for a developer. So now it gives me task title, complete missing location pages on homepage, description, hi developer, please complete the following locations, blah, blah, blah. And it gives detailed instructions. Okay. So you read through the instructions and you make sure that it makes sense. And then you're going to go ahead and add it to ClickUp. So just, you can copy and paste it just like this. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy it. All right, I'll go into ClickUp and I'm going to go to the four squares, and I'm going to look at the task projects. I'm going to go to the project, and this is a project for the website development. So I'll click on that, and then I'm going to click on board, and I will click on add task. So first I'm going to click on add description, and I'm going to paste everything in there. Right? And then I'm going to take the task title, I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that where the title goes, under task name. Right? So it says complete missing location pages on homepage. Then I'm going to get rid of title in the description, and then I will change the developer to the actual developer name, which is going to be, in this case, Mika. Please complete the following location pages on the homepage. It says we buy junk. It has all the description there. And there's going to be a video. And I'll say, please watch video first. Right? And so I'll have this little section. I'm going to go back to Fathom. I'm going to click share. I'm going to click copy link. And it says anyone with link can view. I click copy. I'm going to go back. I'm going to paste the link in between those two parentheses. So the developer can watch the video, understand what I'm asking. They're going to be able to see the written instructions there. And then, yeah, before I create the task, I'm going to make sure to assign it. Under assignee, I'm going to put a due date, which in this case, we're into the weekend already. So I'll put Monday. I'm going to do a priority of high, actually normal. And I'm going to put, well, it's actually high because we got to get this done before the end of the month. And there won't be a lot of time. Then I'm going to do, so then I'll click create task. And boom, I've just tasked her. There's one additional step I do, which I will copy the title, and I'll go into Slack, and I will paste the title, and then I will click share in ClickUp and copy the link. So she has the task name, and she has the link there. Okay. So when she comes in on her next shift, she's going to see that there's a message and a task there. So it'll direct her to get started. She'll watch a video, so on and so forth. So that's the best way that we've learned how to create tasks and explain how to do things to developers, by creating a video, by organizing information in the video with an AI, by adding it to ClickUp, by establishing when it's due, the priority. Also, if you can put a time estimate, that's very helpful. In this case, I would say this is probably no more than 2 hours. So that helps as well. And yeah, so I will also add the link to the website to make it a little easier for her. It's another little step there, just so she, She knows which website it is. All right. So that's it. That's how you do it. All right. Thanks so much.